Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka.
Inna Beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano said it here.
There be the alcohol, no bony dear Quas Becan said the cemetery. Ye been from Yen Fabi so and Cajon. Join your live on Facebook, Adom TV. Adom TV. And Adom TV Extra. Baby, I'll be join it. And then come on, and we are join us here, join us here. I saw the videos in the crowd, one of the amount. Join us here. Oh, join us now, share more be soon be and share. Uru streaming na o share sa YouTube Adom TV. Baby, I be Adom TV. Share ne sa mo be anya bi and share. Me dey akwasinsi Asem Yi Di Ka bre and addressing. So em say enra by election course so ewo akwatia in the eastern region mo mpelefo abaso from your security service to your political parties. Despite sending one or two hits which was a bit controllable. The rest, a bit to me. I'm gonna GDM. But in totality, only to tow Ablikumanov, the end tan basa the course on the dia, Aquatia a super. As against Ablikumanov, Ediano. It's here the police for the bamboo phone in I say, the electoral commission, political parties, this year, Aquatia mine, Ghana mine, Yenny Free Chichini Bench, call hold me, Nasa Trefo, the Hunyanasi. Every one for Fedia also say multimedia and same training. One man who come here to me and do sin with Sika. Her Sika no Busika, it was a shame, me, my Ghana. Go your brace kudos. The Bema Baya and why. And the opinion Sembi Ekoso when it gets to elections of this nature. Say ye by election, say ye a beer aba etwana ye ko. Most yana general elections no ye entante sa in Sembi, but ye by elections sa. Ota tete sa Sembi. No but ye say abanya e wo abanya so no. Okono ko ye campaign no catch amanfo ne say. Se wo pempuntuo dia to above mame. And at Abama, your part the candidate. That's Abanya or Abanya so. So put to a pass and put to a pa and walk with your pardia. NDC are buying the power. It is to Abama NDC pa a candidate no. So put to a pa and what just so. Now just so by election pan put to an hour dia and a Abama MPP candidate. All of a sudden, constituency. Yeah, yemfa ayi greda ekosi so by election si yana grrr. Ya so kania na juda suom. Ni yi kwan ye got test. Da ya fefna mafo ni agi abaye kwan. Da bi o me fe for say ya. Da bi o me fe for say ya. There's a challenge with some of these comments. And sir, ye be ye election na amanyofo na catch tell ye ko by election no ma ye nya kwan na you know say enu hihiem so be ye kwan no at that time na kwan we know it, you know it, say that time na akwa ye sa kwan no wo hihie o kala na de egu a also de ye kwan no enim, but because by election bet no o pesa manfo no nsa wo dwuo mo ho says ka free here agra grade the kwan so contractor why na dada no ena ye ma ye kwan ni bi won mu a enche e ma some of our projects or community bi won mu a enche no because they are hare so ena kokoye. This comment from your politicians say me na me wo power se wo pempunto dia to aba former member of parliament no you're wrong. The last time Nanado Danko Kufado eko emse framanta be a ensuo bagreda me twifa amanfo eso framanta bi se ekaba to nko de a ekama min femu. I remember we condemned that thing. You are not president for amanfo to abadema wo. So sa akofrem na usa ya. You are not president of MPP. And you are not president of NDC. You are commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, not your party's armed forces. Shenanado dan kwaku fuado. Tia so waka kira man for from antemu. Abro ko monsra. Hwe video yi.
And help. Hey, ibe doda sie nyebe ya jagbagba akademia. Because if it's a question of counting who votes for me and who doesn't vote for me, I shouldn't be here because you don't vote for me.
Now, Enra Akwatia by election. Then Alhaji Collins Dauda. As we say, Saman for Wakwatia and to about Fama NDC candidate no win name no about one. Ma present mama kwaye or makwai. Ha. Alhaji Collins Dauda.
What is happening? That's what is happening. Akwatia rules will fix it. But we want them to reciprocate this by voting the NDC candidate.
So if they vote for the NPP, you won't construct their roads, is that it?
I can't say that. I'm not the president. I can't say that. I'm not the president. But if I were the president, I won't do it.
Even though they pay taxes?
You have the opportunity. You have the opportunity when we're voting.
This is an unfortunate comment, Alhaji Collins Dauda. Is President Mahama the president of NDC? He is the president of Ghana. Then equally, you catch a man for Sabia and say, and a moment you tax. What are you talking about? Sakwatia for to about my MPP Nina, a Kauya president, Kauyo Bakwai. Babakwa your tax. Omutu go that. What kind of leadership is this? I'm a no. What's so my Ghana ko from a sign and yet NDC ko friend of sign yet? What can Tamadinsia say? Or Sumo, a Yemo, Ghana for Frewa, and your party for Frewa. So if you have to go the same way, then Alhaji Collins Dauda, I want to ask. This is no what's a decision or either honor. When you're freeway. Because the DC no air same or Simon Penyanemu and put to airco. Now, some more people in ASM, Senipan enemy party, now me party MP no air in India, me for put to a qua, DC no to a day, or boy my kakwa. This kind of sir, Yaman yourself no air time. Ghana for po, Ghana from po, a free net. It was the 7th January 2029. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and a president. And for woman to man no, and for woman to a farmer no. Wumpo, John Dramani Mahama and a man penny. So what is this issue about saying one to about farmer and this dia? And I mean your man farmer. But what your photo go there about Fakotong. Yeah, get tax. Ababe kwa tax in the abayem putu. We need to grow as a nation. Now, some video about say akwetia omukoyo mo akwan no. All of a sudden, and then akwetia am the first case. Most of the time, by elections in Baswa, ni asisa oman seek all of us. Uni maybe a business can be free. Near the tears so near. But we are telling the government we are going to monitor this road. We are going to monitor this road. Tiakwati amai yanimu nyina na eka bomu akwan na aban ahyase no. Ye de anibedi akire. From now to December, you be kwa baby akwan no ya yadru. Ye kona abaya ya wia, ye bo abaya baso. Akato Asem Yi Di Ka se ni ase bo abaya chinko awo. ade papa koswa ye beka mamafo nyina hu sa banya yade na me yakona se da so te se de tie pa de a ene aban de benya bi aka because etimi ma contractor akoso ene ne kire ya so koye so adwuma de a minim ye to se contractor ne free kwan so. I believe and trust the Minister for Roads and Highways, Honorable Governor Kwame Abuja, say he will keep to his promise. Say akwatia kwan ya yahye ye ye mane nkoye say because ne ye by election tinu ne ye koye bibi as a cliche e de bri am for this so but am pampa say e wa ban hyehyem say wo be ye akwatia kwan e de ma amanfo no mo timi aha o mo. So Alhaji Collins Elder say na you catch na go for no. This is an unfortunate statement. Ye nye project and fa manfo to abade my party nko a. Ene men pre Ghana mampani. Koso kansa na unte Ghana mampani die na se. You are not commander in chief of your political party, but of the Ghana Armed Forces. Ye men no se be de bia ento ye trim. Ese be bia ya friend Ghana de empunto be koso. So to aba ma ye, so man to aba ma ye, e so empunto koso apotem wono. Because omo ye Ghana adehye, e ye Ghana asase, e no see it be developing. We can't continue to say, and as a man to Abama, ya, and yen your macquine, one to Abama, ya, yen you cry, some person when yam put to dia, one to Abama party nipa, one to man doing ye, Babajin tax. One to man, your Babajin tax. Ebi am catching Uncle Pong, we are mobile. No me, I can if we ever do may, and your mom the person coming ya. Ebe do any more kind. So man be a year from me, and media questions here. Asem Yi Di Ka pese mu eto aso.